Looks tagged.
Does look tagged.
Hey guys.
Look at its velvet
Oh,
antlers.
there's another one out there. There's a big guy out there. Hey guys. Loa, what's it doing?
Where is the other one?
Over behind that giant, like, bushy tree.
Gosh, I can't see it at all.
It went behind it.
He doesn't give a crap about the dogs.
I know, just like the rabbits. Hey guys. He's like, this bush tastes good.
The dogs are so upset about that.
Anna. Hi, dearie.
Yeah, it does have a big old tag on it.
Yeah. Hi. Can I pet you?
Look at the size of it. Can you imagine if Ahi was out there?
Good girl, Loa. You're just doing yourself.
I know.
Hey guys.
Are you?